All right, people. So welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, you guys are doing good and everything is totally fine. So we're going to speak about Renaldo Cephas specifically this morning. Now, what about Renaldo Cephas? And apparently, it feels as if I'm doing a video on Renaldo Cephas like every week. That's how it feels right now. Like I'm doing a video on him every week, and I find it very very strange where sometimes in football, there's this need for you because when you're good, a lot of people know there's this need for you to show yourself at a particular stage before you're being accepted as being good enough. Now, oh, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much, all the viewers and subscribers for the continued support. Really, really appreciate it. So I'm going to touch on first. I'm going to touch on Renaldo Cephas, and I'm going to touch on some aspects of football that is very difficult to understand, but it's also easy to assess, and the reason why it's being looked at in that manner. So let me tell you this: Renaldo Cephas. Most of you guys know. If you guys watch my channel, if you guys have been watching my channel for a long time period, you'd realize that specifically Renaldo Cephas is a player that I've been speaking about. Like I've been mentioning Renaldo Cephas for like maybe about 2 years now. I've been talking about Renaldo Cephas about possibly about 2 years now. That's before him leave Jamaica, when him there Arnett Garden. I do whole heap of stuff with him there Arnett Garden. From them the time there, when him have a celebration, I think it was a bam, bam, bam. Most persons, I don't think most general public would know them time there. And him have a backflip celebration as well. I think that Imam Bygrave usually do them kind of celebration, backflip, but Renaldo Cephas, when he flick, bam, bam, bam. You know what I mean? Bad celebration. But anyways, so for them time they talk about Cephas. Now, Cephas have gotten the opportunity to go abroad and showcase his skill set. I remember, I was speaking about a player coming from the Jamaica Premier League. Young talent, extremely young, and looking for the opportunity to showcase what he can do. Now, the notion is that for you to be good enough in Jamaica, especially to get selected for the national team, you must be performing at a higher level, higher than the Jamaica Premier League. And I don't think anyone can have a problem with that because most persons, I think the general public would say the Jamaica Premier League quality is not good enough. But I strongly believe that even though the quality is not good enough, there are one and two gems. There are one and two gems in the league that certainly has the potential to be potential superstars or potentially have a good career in Europe or at the highest level of football. Potential superstars, not many really hit it to that level. Not many really hit it to that level, but quite a few of them have hit it and made it into Europe and fairly have a decent career. Now, Renaldo Cephas is a player who maybe his career is kind of been fast track if you should really track back at how things are going. But one of the reasons for that is solely because of the amount of goals that he scored. He's a purebred goal scorer. He's very quick, lightning quick, frightening quick people. I mean, scary. If you're a defender, you don't want to face him. You don't want to go in a foot race with him. None at all. Because that's his main asset. That's his main attribute. And that's a good attribute because they said pace kills. And that is something that he has in abundance. And what he's seeing right now is he's now in the Turkish division playing for Ankara Gucu. And he's now their joint leading goal scorer after 7 games, scoring 3 goals. And it's looking good. It's really, really looking good. And you can remember coming from the Jamaica Premier League, moved to the Macedonian League, moved from the Macedonian League to where did he move to? I think he moved from Macedonia straight to the Turkish League. But I think he did make another move. Anyways, but you can see the transition moving from one stage to the next, move on. But whatever club you go to, you tend to be either leading goal scorer or second leading goal scorer, or in the league itself, leading goal scorer or second leading goal scorer in and about top 5 leading goal scorers. That's his output. He's very, very good where output is concerned. Extremely good where output is concerned. And then now you see in recent time him getting called to the national team. Yes, I would love for him to get more opportunities, more looking. Didn't really get that. But certainly his time is coming. His time is coming. And I believe when he gets his opportunity, one of the prominent reggae boys who is in the starting lineup, whoever believe that they won't come out of the starting lineup, I can promise them They better stay sharp. They better be very, very mindful that he will come and take their jersey off their back and sit them on the bench. So, I have to say, big up Renaldo Cephas, scoring another goal. A big goal against Galatasaray. Unfortunately, his team is not one of the best teams in the league. Just unfortunate. But what I want him to do, continue to keep yourself grounded, continue to score a goal, and more things are in stock for you for the future. Big up yourself, Cephas. Big up yourself all the time. And always say, may God bless you and guide you on the journey that you're taking. Don't forget, God. Me, you're always a reason. I always say, God, do this for me. God, do this for me. Don't forget that. Keep on to the journey. Big up yourself, people. Smash the like button. Tell us what you think about Renaldo Cephas so far. MG Sports TV, people. We are out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And God bless. We're out. Boom.